Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today we're going to show you how to turn on fast start with the new Sony laser projectors. So today we've got the VPL XW6000ES. Alrighty, so here we've got the new VPL XW6000ES projector. This is the new 2500 lumen projector from Sony. This thing is awesome. It's a beautiful, beautiful picture. So we're going to go ahead and show you that here real quick. On the remote, you're going to hit the menu button and you're going to scroll down to the toolbox and you're going to turn on network management. I believe it is off by default. So when that is off, remote start is on. That will take about 55 to 70 seconds to turn on the projector. If we turn network management on, which is also the best way to turn on for third-party control like Control 4, the system takes low to mid 20 seconds. So I've timed it at 23 and about 26 seconds respectively, a couple different times. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off, and I will show you a timer, and you can see for yourselves. All right, so the projector is off. We've got our stopwatch set here. We're going to set the stopwatch and hit the power button at the same time and show you the results here now that we've got everything set. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. So basically 25 seconds or 24 seconds, was slightly delayed. That is very quick. That's basically as long as it takes for TV to turn on and go to the correct input. So this is pretty incredible. This is the new laser projector from Sony. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and interested in a new Sony projector or any of the other products you see in our videos, please call us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We, of course, just installed the new Sony VPL XW6000ES projector. Please give us a big thumbs up and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks, guys.